Hi, Fazana here. Welcome to part 3 of the functions topic. In this video, we'll look at composite functions, which is just a succession of functions. So if you have, let's just write it here. If you have f, g, x, then you do g of x first, and then you do the f. Okay, so you start off with the g first and then the f. Okay, so it's just do that function first and then put that into that function. All right, okay, let's make that a bit clearer with some examples. Okay, so if gx equals 3x minus 2, find an expression for ggx. Okay, so here we'll do g and then we'll do g. Okay, so I think here we'll just expand it out. So gx equals 3x minus 6, yeah, so the expanded version. And then we go stick it back into there. So ggx, okay, so wherever you have your x, you put that in there. Okay, so we're going to go 3, and instead of the x, we're going to put the 3x minus 6. So can you see that becomes your new x? Okay, and then minus 6. Okay, so that becomes that. All right, okay, and let's expand it. So we've got 9x minus 18 minus 6, and you get 9x minus 24. All right, if you wanted to write the simplified version, then you'd write it because they can both go into 3. So we'd write 3x minus 8. Okay, but if it just says find an expression, then that one would suffice. All right, okay, cool. Okay, let's try another one. Show that gf1 equals minus 19. So we go stick in the value of 1 into that. Okay, so f of 1 equals 1 minus 5 times 1 is just 5. So that gives us minus 4. And then we'll go stick that into that x there. Okay, so g of minus 4 will be 1 plus 5 times minus 4. And that gives you minus 20. So 1 minus 20 will give you minus 19. Okay, so we've shown that. Cute. Yeah, good. Okay. Given that f of x is that and g of x is that, find gf3. So again, do the f first. So we're going to go f of 3 equals 2 times 3 minus 4, which will be 6 minus 4 equals 2. And then go stick in 2 in that x there. So we've got 3 times 2 plus 5. So 6 plus 5 equals 11. Okay, yeah. And it says solve fx equals gx. So that means that should be equal to that. Okay. So can you see it looks confusing, but you look at it and you think, oh, fx equals gx. So that has to be equal to that. So 2x minus 4 equals 3x plus 5. So we're looking for the value of x, which will make that equal. Yeah? Okay, this is a simple linear equation. And remember, with linear equations, always start with your lowest letter. So 2x or 3x, so 2x is the lowest, so we minus the 2x. And we get minus 4 equals 3x minus 2x equals x plus 5. Because our x is on this side, we're going to remove that. So the opposite of plus 5 is minus 5. So you've got minus 9 equals x. Yeah, so x equals minus 9. Okay, cool. Okay, linear equations, again, if you're not familiar with it, please go watch my videos on linear equations. There's loads of them, and it's easy, there's rhythm, and it's so soothing. All right. Okay, next. The functions fx and gx are given by the following. Calculate the value of fg2. So we do g first. So g of 2 equals 2 times 2 plus 4. So that gives you 4. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. And then we do the f. So f of 8 equals 3 times 8 minus 1. That comes to 24. 24 minus 1 equals 23. Okay. Calculate the value of f of 3. So f of 3 equals 3 times 3 minus 1. 9 minus 1 equals 8. And then f of 8 equals 3 times 8 minus 1. And we saw that before. Seems to be the same. Equals 23. Oh my god, 823, 823. Okay, find GFX. Okay, not much space there, so I'll just put it there. Okay, so let's do the f first. So f of x, I still write it out again, it feels comfortable. 3x minus 1. And now wherever the x is in the g, we go put that in as the x. Yeah, so we've got 2, and instead of writing x, we write that 3x minus 1, and don't forget to add on the plus 4. Yeah, so underline as much as you can to show that you don't miss something out, because you're so busy doing this one. The easiest mistake people make is forgetting to add on the rest of it. Okay, so you've got 6x minus 2 plus 4, which gives you 6x, and then 4 minus 2 is plus 2. All right, yeah, okay. So that was quite easy. Very easy. Okay, last one. Functions f and g are such that fx is that, gx is that. Find the value of f8. Okay, that's a nice easy one for 1 mark. So we've got 2 times 8 plus 3. That gives you 16 plus 3 equals 19. Okay, gf4, so we do the f first. So we go f of 4 equals 2 times 4 plus 3, which gives you 8 plus 3 equals 11. And then we go stick in the 11. And then you get 11 over 4 minus 2. 11 over 4 would be 2 3/4 minus 2, and we're just left with the 3/4. Okay, yeah. Show that fgx equals a half x, and that's supposed to be minus 1, I think. Yeah, I think there was a mistake in the question. All right, so let's do the gx. So gx, as I said, it's nice to write it out again. X over 4 minus 2. So that's what we're going to go put into the x in the f function. Yeah. So fgx equals 2, and then we, instead of the x, we put that. So we've got x over 4 minus 2. And again, don't forget to add on the plus 3. Okay, now x over 4, so you're going 2x over 4. Now 2 over 4 is a half. So can you see you get your half x there? And then 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. And then you've got plus 3. So you've got your half x. And then minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Cool, we got it, we got it, we got it. Yeah, give yourself a tick. The examiner won't mind. All right, yeah, it's not that bad, is it? As long as you remember, as I said, the most common mistake is people forget to add on the rest of it because they get so involved with that x. Okay, so underline it if you need to. Just make sure you don't forget to include it. All right, I hope that was helpful and easy to understand. The next few videos will cover a greater variety of questions, which will boost your knowledge and confidence. Keep working hard, 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 hard. And remember, you're in control. Until the next video, take care, work hard, and remember, you're in control. Bye.